there. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss about how to create a delete partition via GUI utility. So in the last videos, we learned about creating partition via command line interface. But here we will learn about to create graphically so application system tools, and you will get the option disk utility. It's like Windows having, but a bit different, and lots of hard disks are attached. 50 GBs hard disk are attached, and the DVD drive also are there. PATA, which is IDE. Now we are using SATA, and 4 hard disks is connected. This is the bootable hard disk where our own operating system is load, and this is what we created in the last videos. We created, and this is a completely blank. And if we want to create partition, you have option create partition, and also you have an option to format the drive. Now this is the most preferred scheme. It's master boot record. You can see it's compatible with almost any device or system. So basically MBR is the preferred one, most recognized one amongst all devices. You have other schemes also like GUID partition table, DOM partition, or Apple partition map, but we are going to MBR. So Apple partition, if you have dual booting of iOS, so this is how we just format the hard drive. Okay, now for example, wants to create some partition like 100 MB or whatever we just wants to give for 10 GB. So you have all kind of types like FAT, extension 2, 3, 4, XFS, NTFS like Windows, swap space, extended partition. It depends upon your need. It's a type. And now we're just wants to give a volume. For example, just wants to give it as test volume. Create. I will just create volumes. This is what volumes is created. Now we have almost more options are there regarding edit file system label. You can change the name, delete the partition, edit the partition, check file system. If, for example, wants to repair for some segments we need to repair, you can even mount. Once mount, you will find the mount point. Currently it's not mount, but if you mounted that, then you will find that basically these drives will be mounted to use, and to use at slash either it will be on media. Now you can see that it mounted at media slash test volume. So it's now mounted, so it's now usable. It's you can now use this partition. Otherwise, if it won't, then we will remain as idle, and you have to just name it. Yeah, so unmount this volume, or when mount, then it will be slash media. Otherwise, it will be in slash MNT. So this is how you use graphical interface of disk utility. This is how we create format partition.